In progress.
Yeah, we have voice. $15 or $16, right? $15. Given that the domain of f and f, what does this mean?
Inverse.
The inverse function, right? Are both and f inverse of f of -3 equal to 1. Solve the equation this, right? For t. Okay. Let's say so I suppose, of course, we can solve this first, right? What we can get? We can get f for t minus 3 equal to -3, right? Given that the domain are both under -3 equal to 1. So the equation let me say we just suppose when if t equal to 0, then this is but this is not the inverse function, right? Oh, okay, I already know. From this, can we conclude that f1 equal to -3? Can we?
Yeah.
Then what does this mean? Then suppose 1 is just this 40 minus 3, right? But by the way, we know if it's just a function, then suppose one input can have, different input can have same output, right? But as it's 1-to-1, when the function has inverse function, means it must be a 1-to-1 function. So this case cannot work. You only one input to one output, and the same thing, one output to one input, right? So, therefore, we can say if one just has one output, -3, you know what I mean? The 1 can only be 40 minus 3 because it's 1-to-1. So anyway, if so, it's easy to get t just equal to 1, right?
Yeah.
Then we're done. Understand? Then let's go clear, just clear. 16. Do you mean they are similar? No. So you mentioned 16, right?
They aren't similar.
Let's say 16. F of x is this. Find the value for b so that only on the interval 1 to b, we have delta f over delta x equal to this, right? Okay, this just means find the average rate of change, correct? Do you want to show how you do it? Have you get it done?
Okay, so
Do you want to show on the screen?
we need to be let in the green first. Yeah.
Mm.
Into join the
Do you have what?
allow us to join the
Oh, what?
view.
No. Oh, come on. Okay. Here we go. Oh, I just wonder why there is no echo voice. Now we have. Right. Yeah, you try to mute your notebook. Yeah, Ray, can you write your answer here? B equal to what?
B equals to 10.
10, right? Okay. Now let me go to solve it. Yeah, means on this interval, we have delta f over delta x. This is just the co-average rate of change, right? Or just like f of b minus f of 1, then b minus 1, right? Then keep going as the function is this. So we have 1 over b minus 1, b minus 1 equal to negative 1 over 10, right? Okay, Neil, how to solve this? How to solve this equation? Can you keep going on the screen? Mm. Yeah, of course you can send. I trust you can solve it. But how to solve it very easily?
Okay, I guess you could just do cross multiplication.
Oh yeah, this is a good choice. I think I agree with you. Yeah, if you do cross multiply, right? So we quickly get 10 over b minus 10 equal to negative b plus 1, right? Then both sides multiply b. This is like the denominator, right? So b is like LCD. Both sides multiply LCD. Anyway, we quickly get 10 minus 10b equal to negative b squared plus b, right? Then we have a quadratic equation b squared. B go to this side, negative b, negative 11b plus 10 equal to 0, right? Then b either 1 or 10. So of course b cannot be 1, right? Yeah, so b is, this is the correct answer. Yeah, any more questions? If not, we'll go to chapter 4.
No questions.
No, how about Ray? How about you? You are okay? Okay. Then chapter 4. Linear function. This is what we are most familiar with, right? Yeah, so linear function rate of change. I think we'll quickly go through here. Yeah, exercise. Totally how many? Yeah, maybe we can find the one from each part. This could be how we call this? Call it A. Oh yeah. Let's find the one. 2 point A B. Then let's just do this. Problem 19. Their position are given by 2 points. Which point is traveling faster?
B.
B, because they T X. Yeah, okay. Which point is further to the right when T equal to 0?
A.
A. At what point? At what time T do A or B have the same X coordinates? Then just let them equal to each other, right? Yeah, even you can use elimination, means this minus this. This get 0, this get 17t, this get negative, right? Then what's this? E equal to 17. Hmm, Surface is 8? Yeah, it's 8. Sec. Okay. We'll pass this. Then let's go to part B. Found one. Yeah, how about Neo? You choose one.
Like just on this page.
At part C, not in no, part B, not in part C.
Okay, I'll do I don't know. You choose one. I don't know what to, I'm thinking what to choose.
Mm.
Why don't we do 38?
38. Okay, let's see. Yeah, yeah, that's also what I think about. Okay, anyway, f of x is here, g of x, right? They are linear functions. 38. Yeah, I can make a whiteboard this side or even here. Yeah, let's think about it together. In each case, compute the area rate of change of the given function on the interval a to b. By the way, any different to f negative 1. Inverse of f, inverse of g, right? Suppose they are quite the same, right? You say a, b, c, d. But yeah, so how about let's just do b. So suppose first we should find the g negative 1, right? The inverse of g. Okay, just let me do this. Then when we'll change the x, y's place. Well, let's call this is y, right? But for the inverse function, we'll say this is x, this is cy plus d, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Then we have cy equal to x minus d, y equal to 1 over cx minus d over c. Right. Now let's find the area rate of change at this interval. That being said, let's just call it delta f over delta x equal to, again, f of b minus f of a and b minus a. Right. Keep going. B minus a. F of b. Hold. This f actually means g of negative 1. Right. That's what we want to do. G of negative 1. G of negative 1. So this is g of negative 1x. Right. So we have b over c minus d over c minus a over c minus d over c, anyway, equal to b minus a. Here after cancel it's c b minus a, right? So finally it's 1 over c, correct? Mm.
Mm-hmm.
Now let me give you guys a chance. Yeah, how about you do 39 a just for this side, Neil. b for this side, for Ray. Okay. Yeah, you can try to write on screen. Let me write L on the top. L Ray. Maybe you don't have enough space. You can just show, for example, f of g negative 1 is expression, right? Write the expression on the screen. Then write the area rate of change on the screen, so just like answer, right?
Yeah.
Mm. Let me say f is this. F of g is like this. Yeah, keep going. Do you need some paper? You can write. Yeah, write on your workbook. So Neil, this just call g of f, right? It's a function. To find its inverse function, you just
Yeah.
call this is y, right?
Yeah. I just. What does it equal? Is it like 0?
Mm.
Wait, no, never mind, never mind.
Yeah, in order to find its inverse function, you just replace x place with y, replace y place with x. Remember, means like switch.
Yeah.
Then what you get is the inverse function. You need to simplify it. Oh, Ray, are you done? What's this? 1 over what? Just a?
CA.
A c times a. Oh, okay. Let me see. Yeah, okay. Neil, you may answer right away, but it looks like it's still complicated. You need to simplify it, right? Then when you go to compute the average rate of change, it's even more complicated, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so yeah, how about I erase here? We'll check if Ray is correct or not. Okay. Mm. Yeah, let me do this way. You use red color. I changed. Excuse me. Okay, you do part B. So first, g of f equal to G is here. Say now the input is X is F means AX plus B, right? Then keep going plus D, right? And if we call this is Y, so to find its inverse, we switch X, Y place. So we have say AY plus B plus D equal to X, right? Then AY plus B equal to X minus D divide C, right? Then, yeah, if I want to save a step, I just move B to this side. Then Y equal to both sides divide A, so we have X minus D AC. Then negative B over A, right? Negative B over A. Yeah, okay, I know, now I know it's correct, right? This is still linear function, right? So for linear function, its every rate of change, just the slope, correct?
Yeah.
Because for linear, they always have same rate of change. So I suppose that's why quickly get this, right? We don't really need to go to f of b minus f of a over b minus a, right? Not necessary. Okay, very good. Then in part C, yeah, this time let Neil pick one from 50 to 54.
50.
50? I'm waiting 50 something, but no more.
50.
Then just means 50. Yeah. Okay. 50. 50. Suppose f is a linear function satisfies the condition f of k for all zero number. Prove that the graph of f pass through the orange. Oh, do you think it's hard?
I don't like that.
Yeah, what means we just want to know if this point is satisfied this function, right? If satisfied means it's on the graph of f. F is a linear, satisfies this condition. Yeah, we'll just say, for example, f of 0 equal to what, right? Then from this formula, we found f of 0 means you can either let for all real number k satisfy the condition. Who is variable? Yeah, as it's for real number of k, this is satisfied. Of course, we can let k equal to 0, right? Then we have f of 0 times x equal to, as k is 0, 0 of f of x. But we know this just means f of 0 equal to 0, right? Then we get this. We get this. So not very hard. Okay, this is a simple section. Let's go next. Quadratic function. Let's say anything new. Yeah, it's graph we call parabola. There is a vertex, which also either means minimum or maximum, right? Axis of symmetry. Yeah, then for the 2 points has same y value, then its midpoint just on the axis of symmetry, right? Yeah, we will not really do this. 2-time constraint. Graph. Forget it. Yeah, maybe we can quickly put summary. Okay, let's say this. Yeah, the domain of this function, this quadratic function, is like the input for cubic root function, right? Yeah, if we call this is like y, then anyway, then the domain of the quadratic will decide. Sorry, the range of this quadratic. Suppose decide the domain for the cubic function, right? Then suppose there is like something minimum value. Okay, it's not so hard to get its minimum value, so we'll just pass. Yeah, here use complete square. Find the minimum value is this. Then for function, its minimum value is here. Okay. Maybe we will just pass all of this. P. Yeah. Okay, let's just find, we will not find something from part A, just from part B and C. Ray, could you choose one from 53 to 63?
Let's do 53.
53, okay. Find the area of change on the, I suppose it's quite simple, right? Agree? Okay, let's pass it. Let me pick one. 62. Yeah, could you working on it? Okay. Yeah, suppose not so hard. So try to get answer as soon as you can. Yeah, even you can do it by mental math. I already get answer.
Is it asking, like, is the question just asking, like, you just put in a number for C that will make it so?
Yeah, C is what kind of value? Let the minimum value of this is two radical.
Like, radical 2 as one of the zeros or something?
Finally, you need to answer C equal to what? For example, if C is 5, suppose this has a no matter what kind of value for C, but this is as open up, so it always has a minimum value, right?
Oh,
But different C means different minimum value. In one case, C equal to kind of value, then the minimum is 2 square root.
I think C equals
Equal to what? Write your answer. That's value for C, right? But I don't think so. Yeah, let me quickly do it for you. So for this function f equal to use complement square. So here's x plus 1 square minus 1 plus c. That means when x equal to -1, f minimum equal to c minus 1. This just 2 square root, right? So that c equal to, correct? Any question? Right. How about you? Do a complement square. Here already include 1. So you to balance it, you have to minus 1 to balance it. Then c still c, right? Are you okay now? Now let's go to part C. I just think C like challenge. Maybe. Yeah, Neil, could you pick one?
of the 4.
Yeah, yeah, among these four.
Um, 70.
70. Okay, net f of x is this, where a, b not 0. Find the value for b such that equation f of x equal to 0 has exact three real roots. How should we know? I still not have idea. Let's see. So first, let's go to get this, right? So f of x just means a f of x squared plus b f of x, right? Then means a, this is ax squared plus, hold, ax squared plus bx, take square, plus b ax squared plus bx, right? Yeah, so far so good?
Yeah.
Then can you guys keep going to do it? Yeah, have a try. You may just provide answer on the screen because we don't have enough space, right? So again, Leo Ray. Yeah, could you guys working on? So any idea?
I mean, I just turned the ax squared plus h thing plus bx into an x and tried doing stuff like that.
Then what do you get?
I'm still not done yet.
Just think it's very complicated, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, also I think it's complicated. Then we should jump out, watch from a kind of high viewpoint to see if this problem has something special, right? Because generally speaking, here, when we take square, the highest degree is 4, right? Yeah, so for equation, the degree is 4. Suppose there is 4, generally, there is 4 real roots like this. It means maximally can go to 4 real roots. But here means just has 3 real roots. Then suppose I suppose there is a answer maybe x equal to 0. It's like this. For example, for quadratic, we know normally there should be 2 maximally there should be 2 real roots, right? But sometimes the 2 roots is the same, so go to 1. And of course, there is a chance there is no real roots, right? For example, x squared plus 1 equal to 0. No real roots, right? But if, for example, x minus 1 squared equal to 0, then just has one solution, 1, x equal to 1, right? So that's what I think. Let this equal to 0, but it's too complicated, right? Then we can go back here. It just means this equal to 0. So this make a equation, right? If we take f of x just as f, then we have af squared plus bf equal to 0, right? Then how to find its solution? Here, f, then like af plus b equal to 0. So one is f equal to 0, makes sense, right? If f equal to 0, this equal to 0. Another is f equal to negative b over a, right? Yeah, now let's think about f equal to 0 means how many solutions? Ax squared plus bx equal to 0. Then we have either x equal to 0 or x equal to negative b over a, right? Yeah, if a, b not 0, then suppose this not equal to 0, right? So we already get 2 different real roots. Now let's think about, yeah, let me change color. For this, what we can get? Then we have ax squared plus bx equal to f means, right? Then how can we solve this? Let me write here. Move this left side, and both the equation multiply a, right? Then we have a squared x squared plus abx plus b equal to 0. Right? Multiply A. Yeah, so it's correct. Then how to find its solution? Can we do a factorize? Suppose no. Because this is A square B. This is AB. We want to find AB minus B. Yeah, anyway, I'm not sure if it can be factorized. Then we can just use the quadratic formula. But before we do it, make sure ax squared plus bx. No, here. Ax squared plus bx equal to negative b over a. Yeah, so it's correct. A squared ab minus b, move left side is b. Yeah, so it's correct. Yeah, let's think about it. It's 2a, here 2a means 2a squared, right? Negative b means negative ab plus minus b squared, here is a squared b squared minus 4a squared b, right? Yeah, anyway, suppose we get 4 real 4 real roots. Yeah, the condition is this should greater than 0, right? This should greater than 0. Otherwise, there is no. Let's say a squared b squared minus 4a squared b. How can we guarantee this is a squared b squared? So first, let this greater than 0. Let me write just right here. Means we should have a squared b squared minus this greater than or equal to 0. Equal to 0. Yeah, so a square is greater than 0, so we can both sides cancel a square. So b square greater than or equal to 4b, right? Yeah, anyway, looks like we just let this equal to 0. This equal to 0. Means b cannot be, so just b equal to 4. In this way, this go to 0. So the answer here is this. Cancel a, we get negative b over 2a. Then suppose we have three exactly 3 real roots, right? One is x equal to 0, another is this, another is like half of this, right? Then we have 3. But how this happen? Let this go to 0, right? Otherwise, here has 2 different roots. Then totally we'll get 4 different roots, not exactly 3. So anyway, let this go 0. Then what does it mean? B equal to 4, right? Kind of understand? Or you can, when you need, you can go back to check this video. Yeah, but we'll go to see if it's true. B equal to 4 is the answer. You let me screenshot it. You can also screenshot it if you want. Do you need? Okay, anyway. 40, 70. What's this section? 4.2. Oh, suppose no answer. Only the odd number problem has provided the answer. the chapter test provide
Yeah.
all the answers for all the
problems.
problems. Huh?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, even I can take. But let's have a rest. Let's have a. Yeah, we finished section 4.2. Let's check the content. Chapter 3. We are at linear conjecture, then set up equation that define function. Maximum, minimum, polynomial function, rational function. Okay, yeah. We have to go one by one. What? Here is 4.3, then quickly is 4.4.
It's the shortest part.
Oh, you then. Oh, no, okay.
So what
Forget.
questions are we
It's
gonna
like
do
go
now?
to do some modeling for the growth. Yeah, suppose it's not the basic content, so don't worry. Let define function. How? Oh, here just like word problem, right?
I hate word.
But you have to, because word problem means math application in life, right? That's our purpose for learning math. Anyway. To kill some flies. Anyway, so I suppose this is quite simple. Forget it. Okay, this is kind of fun. This is a point, fixed point. This is the curve. It's a very basic curve and function. Express the distance from P to the fixed point. Yeah, so I suppose this is simple, right? Just use the distance formula. But my question is, when is the shortest distance? Means from here to here. Where is the shortest distance? I know maybe it's just here, 0, 0, but also maybe not, right? We are not sure. Yeah, so let's go to find how to find the minimum distance.
Use distance formula.
Yeah, this is already the distance. Means you need to find the minimum value for this function. Right? Yeah, let's have a try.
It's -1.
-1?
Wait, no, it's 1. It's plus.
X equal to 1?
No. No, it should be 1.
Don't do it by guess. Could you working on means when x equal to what? Then the minimum value is blah. Yeah, I will not really go to whiteboard. This is like the function. You need to find its minimum value, right? Then okay, let's. Yeah, let's see who provide the answer first. Yeah, don't forget the initial curve is this, right? When you get x, input x here to get y, then it means a point on this square root curve, right? Anyway, what's the value for x? I already get the answer. I'm waiting for you guys.
About 1/2.
Yeah, 1/2 is correct. How? Just do a component square here, right? Let me do it. This keep going is x minus half square, then this, right? That means that when x equal to half, then y equal to what? Y equal to half square root, right? Then yeah. Let me ask Neil how to simplify this to get yeah. Could you write on screen? You see, this looks like complicated, but we can write as something easy to identify or recognize. How? And the minimum distance is square root of 3/4, right? Well, that being said, it's just when x equal to half, the distance minimum equal to this. So it means 3 radical over 2, right? And Neil, how about this number? Simplify it. Normally, we need to rationalize the denominator. What does this mean? For example, if give you this, this plus 1, this is not the final expression. You should rationalize this. How? Both multiply this, right? Yeah. Then here go to 3. Yeah, anyway.
Do you multiply by √2?
Yeah, you can think so. But please write the rationalized one. Okay, yeah, that's what I mean. When x equal to half, y equal to this, the minimum distance is this, right? Yeah, you can always create your own questions. Not you don't need really fun questions from the textbook, right? Area of triangle as, and it's plus this. Circle as a function of circumference. Oh, okay. So let's just say that A equal to this. Area for circle. X is this. So it means X represents the circumference for this circle, right? So anyway, take it into here. We finally get A of X equal to this. X is the circumference. Oh, it's kind of fun. Oh. Okay, let's forget this. Now, yeah, let's go to X side. We'll do 0, 1. Yeah, here is C. Here is B. B is here. Yeah, how about next to 20? Think about it. Function of x from the perimeter of the set. Who is x? X is just like a vertex of the triangle. It's the x coordinate. Right.
X.
Can you do, for example, let me think. Redo part A, Leo do part B. Yeah, again, if you want to write, you just follow the left right rule, right? Left side, right side. You have done, right? So let me ask you. So you mean A equal to this, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, if you take x as so what's the range for x?
That's a range for it's 0 to 1.
But do you think the point can be here? Do you think this point can be here?
I mean,
Yeah. But as a function of x is just the point as x coordinate. But they didn't mention the point must stay in first quadrant, right? They can also be Anyway, it's just on the circle, but it can be any quantity, right? Yeah, that being said, the X's range suppose is greater than or equal to -1, but less than or equal to 1, right? Then if X is negative, you cannot get error, right? In order to overcome this, it's absolute value symbol, right? Then I suppose similar thing for result from here. Do you think this is correct? Why you have 2x?
I didn't know what to do, so I just think, was it like asking like, well,
You
how
say
would you write the equation?
you just found what's the length for this? What's the length for this? What's the length for this? Found the sum. It means perimeter.
Yeah.
Yeah, one by one. What's the length for this?
I said
For this hypotenuse.
I said the hypotenuse part thing was the
Yeah.
root 2x squared because that was like the first leg and second leg added together.
Actually, it's just one. Why? You see, this means x squared plus y squared take square is just one, right?
Okay.
Yeah. Well, then how about this neck? How about this neck?
Oh, this neck is x.
Yeah. Anyway, suppose you need to modify your answer. Could you write a new answer?
Okay.
Try to be correct.
Okay.
Okay, not so hard. Just one by one. Perimeter equal to first the hypotenuse is 1. You already get it. Let me take this as 1. Okay. Then for this, it just means y. Yeah, but to play safe, y can be positive or negative. So to play safe, add the absolute value symbol, right? And the same thing x, right? Then who is y? Yeah, plus 1 minus x squared, take square root. Yeah, here, this actually called principal square root, means it's always non-negative, right? That's the reason we don't need to add the absolute value symbol. Okay, anyway, but for x, you keep has the absolute value symbol, right? Okay. Okay, let's go next. Now let's go to part B. Let me see. Where is part C? How about we choose from this page and choose odd number? Why? Odd number may have provided answer, right? Leo, take one. Choose one.
don't know.
Odd number. Don't be don't don't be hesitant. It's not a hard choice. Just for fun.
Just 45.
45. Okay. Oh, here has part of the part. What? To come in the maybe we just say part A.
So this looks like an electrical circuit.
Open top from 6 by 8, 15 by cutting out the square. The equal square means cut this. I don't need this. Then fold. The volume of the box as a function of x. The length of the side of each cut. Oh yeah, x just means this square's length. Anyway. Yeah, could you working on? Yeah, needs. Yeah, here is for Neo, here is for Ray. You may just provide the answer. So Neil, you already done, right?
I think.
Then what's this drawing? It's an icon.
It's just
Now think about this is the volume of X, right? Means the volume will change as X value change, right? Equal to this. Let me see what Ray get. You done? What's this? This means absolute value. That's interesting. Yeah, suppose what from Neo is correct. This, yeah, I give you a question mark. Yeah, it's not very hard. V of X equal to the length 8 minus 2x, the width 6 minus 2x, right? And the height is x, correct? Because they fold, so the height is x. Then when you multiply, you get this. You get this. Oh, you don't understand? Means first they cut these 4 corners, then fold here. Can you imagine? Have you folded paper?
Oh, they folded it.
Yeah, they fold it up. Let it go to height. Go to the wall. It's like the wall, but no cover, right? This is like the base. Okay. Yeah. Then suppose when x, what's the minimum value for this volume? For example, can this volume go to like? Of course, it cannot go to negative, right? But can it go to very close to 0? Do you think we can let the volume very close to 0, as close as possible? Do you think yes or no? Of course we can. Yes. Yeah. You already say yes?
Yes.
Yeah. So of course we can. For example, you let x very close to 0, right? Then the height is like 0. This is like a error. It's limited, right? So limited value multiply a value close to 0, then it can be as close as possible to 0, right? Uh, yeah, you also have other choice. When you let this close to 0, like x close to 4, right? When x close to 4, this close to 0, then the volume go to 0. But can you let this volume go very big? Impossible, right? So suppose when, yeah, my point is, suppose when x take a certain value, then we get its maximum value, right? That's my point. So far per your knowledge, you still not know how to find this kind of x. But if you learn precalculus, know how to find its derivative, then you can. So its derivative is just here go to 12x squared minus 50 means 2 come down. So get x. Here is 40. Yeah, here is 48. Let this go to 0. when you find x, it's the value we want. And it's really solving. So keep simplify, divide, we can divide by 4, right? So 3x squared minus 1x plus 12, right? Can we do factorize to this? We are not sure if we can factorize or not. So use formula x equal to, here is 6. Negative b, so plus minus 14 square is 196, right? Then minus 4 times 3 times is 144. Yeah, anyway, so here go to 52, right? Yeah, 52. So anyway, let me write here. So 52, you can, let me replace this, means 52, so it's 2 13 square root, both divided by 2, so x equal to 3, here is 7 plus minus, yeah, divided 2. This, right? So first, x cannot be greater than 4, right? Otherwise, here we'll go to negative. So 7 plus this. Oh, what's this value? It's like, oh, come on. Even x cannot greater than 3, right? But if this is more than 3, oh, hold. What's this value? Close to 4? 3.5. Yeah, anyway, this, if we take 3.5, right? So plus 7 is already go to 10 something, divide 3. So it's bigger than 3, right? So not work. The only thing we can do is x 7 minus this. Yeah, let me use calculator, quickly get 13. 13 square root plus 7. Yeah, divided by 3. Yeah, so we get when x equal about 1.1315. Yeah, like this. The volume has the maximum value. Yeah. We can go to draw it. Just remember it's 1.13 like this. Okay. Even I can take a screenshot before we go. Come on. Space. Yes, nice. Where is our function? Undo. Yeah, here. So let me write y equal to 4x 4 4 cubed minus 28x square plus 48x. Then I can, oh, I need to read. Okay, so find the maximum value. Oh yeah, as we mentioned, x should less than 3, right? But bigger than 0, correct? So among this, we get, remember we get 1.13 something. Yeah, you say 1.1315, right? Mm. Yeah, that means that for this kind of function, or even more complicated function, the knowledge from calculus can help you find the maximum value, minimum value. Mm. Okay. Neil, could you pick one from, oh, just now you pick one, right? Okay, so raise turn. You pick one from that odd number, 53 to 58. What odd number?
Let's do 53.
53. Yeah. Two concentric square. Mm. Means they have same center, right? Mm. Anyway, triangle as a function of x. Yeah, this tightly related to geometry, right? Mm. Again, let's use again left side, right side. What's the range for this triangle's area? I mean, it can go how big or how small. Of course, it cannot go to negative, right? So can it go like close to zero?
Yeah.
When? When the area of this triangle can go to as close as possible to zero.
If x is equal to like 8 or something maybe.
Yeah, one is if x equal to zero, right? So one side is like zero. Another is when x very close to 8. Then suppose the height will be close to zero, right?
Yeah.
Then, okay, so another question, can this area go very big?
Yes.
No, it
No.
cannot bigger than 84, right? No chance. Yeah, if x less than or equal to 8, then this triangle cannot bigger than the whole area of the square, right? That means that within 64. Then the question is, x take what value? The triangle get largest area. Wait, do you find the answer?
Yeah.
The same?
Yeah.
No. As Neo, this is not the final. Final should like something standard, right? Like ax squared plus bx plus c. We call it like a standard form for polynomial. So yeah, you can move forward to get this standard form. Neo, think about when you can x take what value? The area can get its maximum value.
That.
Hmm?
That.
This is just the expression for area. When x changes, the area value of area change, right? Then suppose when x take a certain value, the area can get its maximum value. So when? Yeah, let me see. This is different to what Neo get. Double check. Yeah, let's quickly get it done. Right here should plus, right? Not minus 8x. Then how to, if you call this is f of x or a of x, never mind, right? Then the maximum or minimum happen at 1x. Remember the formula, negative b over 2a. So here b is negative 2, negative b. Here is 2 times negative 1, right? So together you get 1x equal to 4. Then there is maximum. Okay. Yeah, I suppose that's all for this. 4.5. Oh yeah, we already do not have a maximum minimum, right? 4.5. Then polynomial function. Yeah, maybe we can jump through here. Yeah, if it's quadratic. Yeah, then what's next? Polynomial function. Yeah. The term with highest degree. This degree also called the degree of this polynomial function. Right? Let's quickly go through. Do its graph. Turning point. Turning means a turn from increase to decrease, or from decrease to increase, right? Is an unbroken smooth curve. Has at most n minus one turning point. Well, mm. What's this for the graph? As x, epsilon get very bigger. Means it's like go to negative infinity or infinity, right? Normally we use the words approach to infinity. Y grows very not. Means f of x is value when x not enough. It's just show the property of this. It means you can ignore all of this, right? Why? Because when x is very big, this compared to this is like multiply x, but x is very big, right? So you can ignore this. Compare this just like 0. Not for contents. I suppose another rational. This is actually complicated. And each of them, f of x, g of x, are polynomial, right? So first, when consider about its domain, we require g of x cannot be 0, right? This will decide its domain. This is like the most basic rational function, right? How we call this function? I don't know its name. Do you guys know what's the name for this function?
Isn't just rational?
Just called rational.
I think.
Oh, I don't find. I suppose it has a name.
Because it's just graph of y equals 1 over x, which is a rational.
Yeah, anyway. Okay, anyway. So it's a basic character. This just for x greater than 0, right? But if for this, suppose the only thing is x cannot be 0. Anyway. Then do some transformation, right? From this to this. Here simplify it to a constant plus this. then use the transformation. Yeah, here talk about 1 over x squared. So again, we'll go to chapter test.
Chapter 4 test.
Yeah, chapter 4 test. Yeah, if you're still not okay with the rational function, you can mark, oh, this problem I need help. Okay. But when you report, oh, I'm all right. Then we can close chapter 4, right? Okay, I'll see you guys Thursday.
Yeah. Thank you.
You are welcome. See you for test.